How's it going, friends? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. Everything outside, well, not my mountain ash, but if you can see that far, everything has turned into golden leaves here, and some of them already fell. Like some of the trees have no leaves anymore. Anyways, because it's autumn here already, starting already here in Northeast BC. My cat is very vocal, I know, sorry. For today's recipe, it is pumpkin pretzel cookies. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So for the wet ingredients, this is half cup of Demerara style brown sugar, half cup of peanut oil, 2 whole eggs, and just below half cup or loosely packed or loosely measured half cup of pumpkin puree and 1 heaping teaspoon of vanilla essence. We're just gonna mix this in our food processor until completely combined. This is 2.5 cup strong baker's flour with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt, a small pinch of salt. Just mix this, and then we're gonna put in our wet ingredients that we prepared earlier and mix it until completely combined. Then we're gonna fold in our pretzel and chocolate chips. You can use semi-sweet, milk, or dark, it's up to you. So for the pretzel, I'm using this one, Pretzels. And mix it until completely combined. Yeah. Chips, this is 1 handful or more, it's up to you. For the pretzel, you can just crush it because this is pretzel thin, so it's easy to just crush it. And then mix it again until completely combined. I make a lot of muffin and cookies, so sometimes I mixed up in my brains until just combine or until completely combine. Muffin is until just combine, while for cookies completely combine. Now drop 1 scoop or 1 tablespoon on ungreased cookie pan or cookie sheet, and you can flatten it a tad if you want. I only use half bag, but you can use the whole thing, it's up to you. Again, just 1 scoop and make a space and flatten it a bit if you want, like so. It is 8 to 10 minutes on preheated 350 Fahrenheit depending on your oven. Take out from the oven and move it to cooling rack and cool it completely before storing in container or cookie jar.